Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Ojeras Tratamiento is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for women looking to rejuvenate their appearance and combat the persistent signs of fatigue and aging around their eyes, offering a promise of brighter, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin that can truly transform how you feel about your reflection every single day. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Do you struggle with puffiness and bags under your eyes? This cream is specifically formulated to visibly reduce these common concerns, helping you look more awake. It features hyaluronic acid, a key ingredient known for attracting and retaining moisture. This provides essential hydration to the delicate skin around your eyes. Infused with niacinamide, it works to soothe and brighten the under-eye area. This helps improve the overall appearance of your skin tone. A unique marine botanical complex is also included to further support the delicate skin. This blend helps to visibly reduce dark circles and promote a more refreshed look. This product is oil-free and has been ophthalmologist tested, ensuring it's gentle and safe for use around your sensitive eye area. You can trust its expert formulation. What we like. This cream offers a daily, long-term solution for under-eye concerns. Its dermatologist-developed formula works to reduce puffiness and dark circles over time. If you are looking for a consistent, gentle daily treatment for lasting results, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Grace and STELLA Gold Under Eye Masks. Discover the secret to refreshed eyes with these award-winning masks. They are celebrated for their effectiveness and luxurious feel. Say goodbye to tired-looking eyes. These patches are specifically designed to reduce the appearance of dark circles, leaving you looking brighter. Experience relief from puffiness and under-eye bags. They work to soothe and de-swell, giving you a smoother, more youthful look. Looking for a thoughtful present? These make an excellent birthday gift for women or a special treat for mom, promoting self-care and relaxation. Enjoy peace of mind with a vegan and gentle formula. They provide effective self-care without harsh ingredients, suitable for sensitive skin. Indulge in the luxurious feel of these gold gel eye patches. They adhere comfortably, delivering their revitalizing benefits directly to your skin. What we like. These award-winning gel patches provide immediate relief for tired eyes. They are designed to quickly tackle puffiness and dark circles. If you need a quick refresh before an event or a luxurious self-care treat, these gold masks are perfect. What people say. Number 3. DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches. Introducing the DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches. This pack contains 20 individually packed pairs, ensuring freshness and convenience for every use. Experience deep hydration with these soft gel eye masks. They are designed to deliver moisture directly to your delicate under-eye area, leaving it feeling refreshed. Say goodbye to tired-looking eyes. These patches effectively target puffiness and help diminish the appearance of dark circles, revealing a brighter look. Reduce the visible signs of aging. They work to smooth out wrinkles and fine lines, giving your skin a more youthful and revitalized appearance. Achieve glowing skin wherever you are. Their travel-friendly individual packaging makes them perfect for maintaining your radiant look, even when you're on the move. What we like. These individually packed patches are incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. They focus on hydrating and giving your skin a golden glow. If you travel frequently or need a quick pick-me-up that also brightens, these are an ideal solution. What people say. Number 2. Maskiss 24K Gold Under Eye Patches. Tired of dull, puffy eyes? Discover a luxurious solution designed to bring back your youthful glow. These patches are your secret weapon for a refreshed appearance. Infused with real 24K gold, they provide a premium experience for your delicate under-eye area. This precious ingredient helps to soothe and rejuvenate. Enriched with collagen, they work to improve skin elasticity and firmness. This essential protein helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Specifically formulated to combat puffiness, they provide a cooling and calming effect. You'll notice a visible reduction in swelling, leaving your eyes looking more awake. Struggling with dark circles? These masks are designed to diminish their appearance, promoting a brighter and more even skin tone. Regular use can reveal a more radiant look. Each pack contains 25 pairs, offering a consistent and convenient addition to your skincare routine. Enjoy a spa-like treatment from the comfort of your home, whenever you need it. What we like. With 25 pairs, this option offers great value and a luxurious 24K gold experience. They are infused with collagen to help firm and rejuvenate the delicate under-eye area. If you want a consistent supply of gold-infused, collagen-boosting treatments, this pack is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted. Number 1. Grace and STELLA Retinol Under Eye Patches. Tired of waking up with puffy eyes? These patches are designed to visibly reduce puffiness, helping you look refreshed and ready for your day. They work quickly to soothe and revitalize the delicate skin under your eyes. If dark circles are a concern, this product targets them effectively. It helps to brighten and even out your skin tone, giving you a more vibrant and youthful appearance. You'll notice a significant difference with regular use. Formulated with powerful retinol and hydrating hyaluronic acid, these patches deliver intense nourishment. These key ingredients work together to restore and rejuvenate your under-eye area, promoting healthier-looking skin. Each patch is a comfortable, restoring gel mask that adheres gently to your skin. The gel formula ensures maximum absorption of the active ingredients, providing a luxurious and effective treatment. They feel cool and refreshing upon application. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These eye patches make excellent birthday presents for women or fun bachelorette party favors. Share the secret to radiant eyes with your friends and loved ones. Applying them is simple and takes just minutes, making it a perfect addition to your self-care routine. Just relax and let them work their magic. You'll love how easy it is to achieve a refreshed look. What we like. These patches stand out with their retinol and hyaluronic acid blend, targeting signs of aging. They work to restore and rejuvenate the under-eye area with powerful ingredients. If you are specifically looking for an anti-aging treatment to reduce fine lines and restore skin, these purple patches are your go-to. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.